Welcome to Science by PK. Have you ever wondered what the coldest place in the universe is? No, it's not your friend's basement with LED lights and a beanbag chair. And no, it's not Pluto. Although, let's be honest, Pluto has been going through enough already. Today, we're talking about a place so cold, so mind-humblingly frozen that even space itself feels warm in comparison. It's called the Boomerang Nebula and holds the title of the coldest naturally known place in the universe. Let's set the stage. Empty space is about as cold as it gets. The average temperature in the universe is 2.7 Kelvin. That's 2.7 degrees above absolute zero, or negative 270.45 Celsius. At that point, atoms barely move. It's the ultimate chill zone. But the Boomerang Nebula said that's cute and dropped the temperature to around 1 Kelvin. That's negative 272.15 Celsius. Yes, colder than the background temperature of the universe itself. How is that possible? Let's break it down. The Boomerang Nebula is about 5,000 light years away from Earth. In the constellation Centaurus is what astronomers call pre-planetary nebula, which is basically a fancy way of saying it's the star dying and star having a dramatic breakdown process. What is happening in that center star is ejecting gas at an insane speed, over 500,000 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to go to New York to Tokyo in under a minute, but probably not great for your luggage. As the gas expands, it cools a lot, and this rapid expansion drops the temperature lower than the surrounding universe. It's like a cosmic version of opening your freezer, only to find it's colder than outer space. But how did scientists even discover this icy weirdness? Back in 1995, astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope looked around and saw something strange. A dumbbell lobed shape that looked more like a bow tie than a boomerang. Naming conventions in astronomy are more vibe-based than accuracy. Later observations in the ALMA telescope confirmed just how shockingly cold it is. And the coldness isn't just trivia, it's science gold. But studying objects like the Boomerang Nebula, astronomers learn how stars die, how gas behaves in extreme environments, and how structures like planetary nebula eventually form. One day this bow tie of deep freeze will become a glowing shell of gas around a white dwarf star, the classic ending to a mid-sized star's life. And here's a fun twist. The very reason it's so cold is that fast expansion won't last forever. As the gas slows down and begins to interact with this environment, temperature will rise. One day it'll warm up to just space cold, like everything else. So enjoy it while it lasts. The Boomerang Nebula, you're the universe's fridge magnet. So recap, the coldest place in the universe is not a black hole, not Pluto, not even your ex's heart. It's a dying star 5,000 light years away, dramatically ejecting gas into the cosmos and chilling out harder than anything else in existence. Thanks for watching Science by PK. Stay curious, and if you're feeling cold, just remember, at least you're not floating around at 1 Kelvin in a nebula shaped like a space bow tie.